Pelatih kepala Persib Bandung, Bujan Hodak ungkapkan rasa syukurnya atas kemenangan melawan Persik Kediri. Meski sempat ada beberapa peluang emas yang tidak bisa dimanfaatkan, Bujan mengatakan kemenangan ini adalah modal penting bagi tim asuhannya yang akan menjalani laga away ke Padang.
Good win for one. Good for confidence that I think overall for match we play well, except maybe one or two situations. I don't think that Kediri had any chances except this penalty VAR decision. And important 3 points that we keep the distance. We one more match, then we will have this break that we need, because we play President Cup, ACL, so this is basically 9 matches more than other teams, so we need a little bit freshness.